Ladies and gentlemen, we back at it with another episode of Cheat Code. Make sure you tap in on IG and follow my brother, Creative Catering YD. Here we go again, man. One of my other personal favorites, fish tacos, will be on tonight. Tap in, follow, learn something. It's gonna be good. Here we go.
Alright people, so today we working with a little bit of tilapia. You can choose your choice of fish, but you know, this is like the chicken or fish to me. You take on whatever flavor you put on it. So go ahead, bro, get ready to season him down. Some onion powder, some granulated garlic salt, Cajun seasoning, garlic olive oil. Alright, they're all rubbed down with seasoning. Now we gonna take it over here, oven at 425. Go ahead and slap them in here for about 20 minutes. Alright, so while those fish is in the oven, baking and doing their thing, we gonna throw these black beans in the pot. Go ahead and crank the heat on medium. Alright, bam, so now we about to go ahead and throw the same seasonings that we threw on the fish and the beans.
Quick little dash.
Yeah, just a little dash.
I hold up the wrong side every time, bro.
It's good, Ray. You be fucking up, but this is the whole point of this.
Fucking up, you still clean, man.
You'll get better. You'll be like me one day, little nigga.
You put that on the video, we got beef, nigga.
Well, fuck, nigga, I'm motherfucking McDonald's.
You McDonald's, nigga. Y'all put on the type of form.
I was trying to get you working the wrist, bro. I was about to tell them how you used to get down. You know what I'm saying? Back in the day.
You said what now?
I was trying to show them how you work the wrist, bro. I was gonna, tell them how you used to get down back in the day.
Me, I'm a man of God, man.
Cocaine. All right, people. So I went ahead and pre-made the guac and the pico. We was pressed for time today, so if you guys feel the need to, this is much needed ingredient. You can just buy some pre-made stuff from the store, and on another video I'll show you how to get down to make this. Alright, bam, so we got the fish out. Beans is done. We gonna throw these tortillas on this thing. We gonna break down this fish and build the tacos, and we done. Alright, bam, so now we just go ahead and throw some of this oil in the skillet. That's good. Make sure it coat the bottom. You turn the heat up a little bit.
Medium?
Yeah, we're good. Just go ahead and slap some of those tortillas in there. Just slap one at a time. Alright, bam, now we got these shells cooked. We're gonna spread some of this Mexican cheese on it. Cotija. Still respect my Spanish, nigga. Alright, now, so just go ahead and take a fillet or two. They should be nice and moist. It don't matter if it break up, because we just gonna break it up in the bowl anyway. Alright, so just go ahead and break him down in the bowl. Show y'all the finished product next. Bam, now put as much fish in there as you want. Then we go top with pico and guac. Load up the beans and we done. Bam, now, man, we done. Yeah, we took G's for the taste test. All right, G's, now tell me what he do.
Man, they look crazy. That's it. Once again, slapstick.
Yeah, man, cheat code, man.
Automatically getting added to the menu, man.
Cheat code, man. Fish tacos.
Ep.3. Fish tacos. Get you some. You're welcome in advance.
Man, say, man, it's another episode of Cheat Code. It's the Tilapia fish tacos, man. We had to skip some steps real quick so we can run through it quick. But this meal only takes about 20 to 30 minutes if you're able to do everything at once. But we gonna get y'all there, though. Y'all gonna really be able to fuck with it, though, bruh. Yeah, Cheat Code.